Yes, what is going on, everybody? Breaking news that happened hours ago, and just another confirmation that the Securities Exchange Commission, they have no idea what they're doing under Gary Gensler, and even earlier back when the SEC director William Hinman. Today we got some of the Hinman emails and we talked about it, and we can tell that this agency in the United States really has something against crypto, right? A lot of confusion. Now, what just happened right now, it's with SEC and Binance.us. You guys remember what occurred 5 days ago? Well, yes, the SEC under Gary Gensler leadership accused Binance, and they, gave him a lawsuit to Binance.us, Binance and CC, and well, Binance.us asked them to freeze their corporate assets. Obviously, that is pretty much killing an entire exchange and putting the company in jeopardy. And well, what they did, Binance.us, was let's pause, suspend deposits, right, in USD and just crypto only. So today, June 13, it was the day to meet up with the judge. And well, good news, everybody. The judge is ruling in favor of Binance.us, not giving the win to the SEC, and basically telling the SEC that we're not rebuff this. And they're basically telling SEC, Binance.us, go ahead and have a conversation, agree on something that you guys can, go forward with this, and there's not gonna be an asset freeze as of now. They're gonna meet up this coming Thursday. So there's a lot of conversations, but so far they're gonna be working together for a deal that allows the crypto exchange to avoid a shutdown. Let me tell you the full story. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing. Yep, a lot going on today, and I'm very happy, to keep up with the news and updates, and just cool, guys. Once all of this really settles down and the SEC becomes friendly to crypto, which I don't really know when that's going to happen or if ever it's going to happen, then we're going to be looking at major price bumps, right? Right now, actually, BNB was rallying, just, doing a little bit higher points from $230 all the way to $240. And that's good. That just shows the confidence, right? So the SEC and Binance.us have agreed to work together for a deal, avoid a full shutdown while simultaneously protecting customer funds. This comes as the judge rebuffs the request to freeze all the assets for now. The federal judge ordered the SEC and Binance lawyers to keep negotiating about the limits of the entire company and report back here this Thursday. So there's still a lot of conversation going on, right? So that would allow the U.S. arm of the company to continue doing business while, hashing out the restrictions with the regulator. So if something occurred with Binance.us, I'm sure that there can be a solution that they can agree to that, but there's no need to do a complete shutdown and freeze everything, which that was the SEC's intentions, right? If the two sides can agree on the limits, the Judge Jackson on the DC District Court said there should not absolute need, right, for a restraining order. In the meantime, the judge ordered them to, provide a list of expenses to the court and to the parties to continue negotiating. And an update is due by business on Thursday, by close of business Thursday. So you guys seeing that as of right now, everything is going on when it comes to Binance.us and providing more clarity. On June 8th, 5 days ago, they posted this, and for us in the crypto space, for them, an aggressive, intimidating tactic, right? Like we discussed earlier today and a little bit yesterday with the Hinman documents, we can clearly see how the SEC for a while has been a corrupt and very confused organization, agency, right? That they claim that they protect us, but if you think about it, I was listening to Mark Cuban yesterday, how he says there's so many pink sheets in the stock market. You know how many of them are regulated or looked at by the SEC? Are they not worried about that? The pink sheets, right? Most of them behave like some crazy meme coins, but they are looking at crypto instead of those pink sheet stocks. So makes total sense, right? Why you're so hawkish on crypto when you already have something to do in the stock market. So as of right now, the prices on BNB, everybody, this is what we're looking at. This is today. So yesterday, as we were approaching this day with the judge, Boom, it crashed, came down a little bit to 234. Let's go ahead and bring the price. And right now, as the news are coming up, this is a 1 hour, $250. So remember, we're coming from a 300 price. The first one was the lawsuit on Monday. So it brought the price from 300 all the way to 272. Then the order to freeze that was on the 8th, that was right about here, and then crashed more again to 227, and then the crash, and it all brought it back to $220. So it's $30 higher now, and that's gonna be roughly 12%. Can it go back to 300? Of course, because it's Binance.us, and we know they're gonna be fine in the long term. Just demonstrates, how the SEC is running out of options, but us, we're barely starting. You've been updated, everybody. That's pretty much what happened today, just in one day, right? CPI data, Helium documents, a win for crypto and a lose for the SEC. So far, if the judge is not giving a full clear win to the SEC, we know that we're going to be fine. That's all, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.